Hello my loves, welcome to the channel. It is Crissy G, and in today's video we are going to do the first official Crissy G cook with me video. You guys have been asking me for recipes and let's just get right into it. I've fixed up my kitchen so that it goes with my whole pink theme that we've got going. And so I'm really excited to bring you this new chapter. I hope that I can at least upload recipes once a week. I want to show you guys how I make my quick, delicious meals. They are foolproof. They are going to be easy and healthy and stuff that I like cooking things that reheat well. So I don't like making anything that's not going to be good microwavable the next day. So most of the meals that I will be meal prepping with you guys are not only going to be a healthy alternative, but are also going to be good heated up the next day. So let's get right to it. In today's video, we're going to be making beef and broccoli. I love beef and broccoli. I don't typically order it often from the local restaurant just because I know it's got all kinds of sodium added to it and just all kinds of extra calories with their sauces and all that good stuff. So doing it at home is a much healthier alternative. It's super easy. So I'll show you today. If you have an H-E-B in your area or your local market, make sure that you check out the meat section in there. So I have H-E-B here in Texas. They're around every corner. And H-E-B already has pre-packaged beef meals, and this is not sponsored by any means. I just really love their meat that already comes, it's already marinated and everything. So this one in particular, it's $8 for the package, and it's about a pound and a quarter. So it's really affordable. Also, it's already marinated, so you just season it with a little bit extra seasonings and whatnot, and it'll be delicious. So on top of, I'm using 2 packets because I'm meal prepping for both my husband and I for the week. And then I got the big bag of broccoli at our local Sam's. You can do Costco Sam's. It's cheaper that way. This whole huge bag was only $3 and some change versus me getting it at like Walmart, H-E-B. It's like $6 for the same size bag. I am going to use half of a green bell pepper. I am going to be using some carrots, matchsticks carrots, is that what they call them? Julienne carrots, ready to eat. I don't know, but I just love adding a little bit of color since we're having so much green in there. Adding the carrots gives a little crunch and color to it. And then I absolutely love mushrooms, so anytime that I can add mushrooms to a recipe, I do. I'm gonna add it to the beef and broccoli recipe. And we're also going to use about a quarter of an onion. All right, guys, let's get started. It's game time. Look what I found on Amazon, you guys. It is so cute. It is so me. Okay, so I like to have everything prepped so that once I start cooking, I just throw everything in the bowl. So we're going to start by cutting up the broccoli for us because I don't want huge pieces. I want smaller pieces. I'm going to use half of the mushrooms. And so this will be the bulk of your stir fry, you guys. Look how delicious that looks. So we've got quite a bit of broccoli. That's going to be the bulk of the recipe. And then, of course, we've got a little bit of the green onions. We've got some mushroom, and then we've got some matchstick carrots. You guys can add whatever you like to your beef stir fry. I'm just adding the things that I love the most. I'm going to go ahead and add onions. add some minced garlic to this. I'm going to go ahead and add the bell peppers and mushrooms. All right, my love, so this is the finished product. It looks absolutely delicious. We didn't add a lot of sauces. I didn't put any soy sauce because I didn't want to add all that extra sodium, but you are more than welcome to put some soy sauce, or you could do some chili peppers. I don't like it too spicy, but Jesse will probably add some. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and see what we think. All right, you guys, I am going to get a little bit of the meat with some broccoli. Look how delicious that looks. The broccoli is cooked to perfection. I love when it still has a little bit of crunch to it. The meat's already marinated. If you don't buy meat that's already marinated, I would suggest that you marinate it at least 30 minutes before you cook the meal. You can marinate it with some soy, teriyaki sauce, sweet and sour sauce, whatever choice you like. I'm not a good meat marinator, I'll be honest, so that's why I buy mine pre-packaged that way, because it's usually already tender for that reason. This made a ton. I did not end up using the other pack, so I figured that I could make it later on during the week, because if you guys see, this made an entire pot full because we added so much broccoli to it, which is really what I love, is all the vegetable part of it. So this is going to be enough for him and I to take to lunch all week. A pound of meat with half a big bag of the broccoli florets, half of a bell pepper, a cup of carrot sticks, and it's absolutely delicious. I added some garlic, I added some salt, and that was it. The meat's already marinated, so it already had a ton of flavor. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know what you think. I did this as a meal prep this week, but this would be something that my family would love to eat because my kids love broccoli. So this is definitely something that I can serve up for dinner. I do have a whole other packet, so I probably will do that sometime later during the week. So it's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this first video of Crissy G Cook With Me. I had so much fun doing it, you guys. I hope that I will get better in the near future. This was my first run at things, so I have done cooking videos in the past, but it's been very relaxed, very just spur of the moment, record what I'm doing kind of thing. This took a little bit more planning, and still I know there's a lot of areas where I can improve, but I appreciate you guys for watching me cook. So if you have any suggestions or any recipes you'd like me to try, then let me know in the comments, you guys. Thank you so much. Till next time, talk soon.